Hey, how's it going, guys? Jeff Smuda here, and today I just want to talk about 3 different types of cuts you should learn as an editor. 1, the J cut, 2, the L cut, and 3, the cross cut. The J cut is when your audio is leading into the next scene to set up your viewers for the next scene coming in. The L cut is just opposite of that. It is your video leading into the next scene with the audio from the next scene playing first. And the cross cut is just 2 scenes crossing back and forth like people talking to each other on the phone while they're in 2 different scenes. I hope that helped you guys step up your editing game. Let me know in the comments below if you already knew about them cuts, or if you're gonna try them yourself, or even if you want me to show you how to do them in Premiere Pro. I'm gonna put this into my tips and tricks playlist. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Alright guys, I'm gonna throw in a little extra one here. The jump cut. That's the one I use a lot. It's a cut used to simulate time passing quickly. I use it a lot in my videos. Alright, there you go.